Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 12.3 question number 10. Simplify the expression and find its value when a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 3, that is 2, into a square plus ab plus 3 minus ab. Find the value. So we will solve in this way, that the value is 2a square 2 into a square plus ab plus 3 minus ab, that is equal to 2a square plus 2ab plus 3 minus ab. Therefore, it is equal to 2a square, 2ab minus ab is plus ab plus 3. Then we are getting 2a square plus ab plus 3. We'll put the value of a and b. The value of a 2 into the value of a is 5, that is 5 square, plus the value of a is 5 into the value of b is minus 3 plus 3. That we are getting 2 into 5 5 is 25 plus minus 5 3 is 15 plus 3. 25 into 2 is 50. 50 plus 3 minus 15, or you are getting 53. That is, you are getting 53 minus 15. And 53 minus 15 is, if we subtract 53 minus 15, then we'll get 53 and subtract 15. Right? Therefore, 8 5 13. Carry 1 1 and 2 3, that is 38. Therefore, the answer is equal to 38. 38. This is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.